Wednesday today. I haven't caught you guys up yet from the week. It's been a little go, but Monday was really fun. Me and Lucas played pool in the afternoon, and it's so fun to do it at that time because like nobody's there. And then I made a dinner in the evening. It was really good. My favorite thing to do is make tofu bowl and just kind of go with what I'm feeling during that night. I just got up and had a shower. Lucas got me a little coffee from Ma. If you live in Eastman / Commercial Drive, you know Ma. It's so good. So great way to start the morning. And now I'm just getting ready to go see my friend Bree. We're gonna go walk the seawall together. I've missed having my long beach walks, so I feel like it'll be really nice to decompress, have a little girly chat. I think the weather has really been getting to me, so I'm gonna take all my vitamins this morning. I just picked up some D3 because in Vancouver it's so rainy and cloudy that you don't really get any sun. You just don't get any sun, period. You guys have seen this makeup routine a million times now. But if it works, I'm not gonna change it for now. I'm gonna make a little smoothie bowl for breakfast, and I'm so excited. I finally perfected the recipe that it gets super creamy and good. You gotta be excited about your breakfast, you know? Just like that, my quick and easy makeup is done. I still have to dry my hair. That's gonna take me a year. Just kidding. 10 years. I'll see you when I make my brekkie in a little bit. Bye! break, and now I'm on my way to an in-person audition. And it's my second one. Last week I went to one too and it went really well, so definitely warming myself up to more in-person castings for acting, I guess. This character is really fun and the script was super short, so easy to memorize. It went so quick. It was 5 minutes in and out, but I feel good about it. So we'll see. I find out next week if I book it. We got little goodie bags, which I'm excited to show you what's in them. Now I'm headed to the sea bus to meet Lucas to go to the night market. About to go into the night market. And our goal is to try and find vegan hot chocolate because last year it was so good. We found the vegan hot chocolate.
It's really, really fun.
I can help with that. I've been waiting for this all year.
You got a little thing.
It's so good. Good morning. Yesterday's event went so well with Turf Active. The DJ Pilates vibe was just so fun and so different. They gave us a little goodie bag, as you saw me pick up, and I haven't opened it yet. Believe me, I have not touched it and I've been itching to open it. But last night we came home after the market and I was just done. I was so tired. Excited to be opening this with you today. Even just starting with the packaging, it's so cute. Turf is one of my favorite studios in Vancouver and they launched like new activewear and they have a bunch of partners that got involved with this event. So yeah, let's do a little unboxing. What it looks like when you first open it up. Let's see. Okay, first thing, I'm not gonna know what half this stuff is. The bag is cute. Trust your beauty, it says on it, okay? Ooh. Oh, it's little hand sanitizers. It says rinse-free hand wash, so I'm assuming it's a spray sanitizer. And a body lotion, cute. I wonder if it's like a spray body lotion. And it's by Sangre de Fruta. Okay, let's do the hand sanitizer first. I feel like Jeffree Star when nothing's coming out. Oh. It's not a spray, it is just like a hand wash. Oh, it's like a, it smells so good. And then this is the hand and body lotion. When I tell you, it's just so earthy, so good. Okay, that was more elegant that time. Yeah, so it's kind of the same smell profile, but I love it. Cedar notes with cedar, sandalwood, and bergamot. Very nice. Okay, so that's the first thing. Cute. And then deodorant and natural deodorant. I've been wanting to actually get a new one because I've been testing a few natural ones right now and I feel like they're not fully working, but let's see. This one says Coastal Waters, extra strength. That's what we need. Wow, it's so cute in natural packaging. Nala Care. Okay, I was like, what's the brand on this? That is like so smooth. I don't have deodorant on right now, so I can just pop it on real quick. Oh, it's very thick. I wasn't expecting it to be that thick. Ooh, it smells very hippie, but not in like a bad way. Very strong notes of tea tree, which always just reminds me of hippie smell, but I still like it. I'll be excited to wear it more every day and working out and see how it really does with the true test. But very cute. Moving on. Dermalogica. This is some fancy brightening rice-based powder exfoliant. I don't even know how this works. Oh, so it's like powder and then it creates a paste. Stop using exfoliants because my skin is very sensitive, but I'm gonna do some research on this and see if it's good for my skin. If not, maybe I'll gift it to someone. The packaging is so pretty and minimalistic as well. I didn't even know a product like this existed, so excited to test that out. Aurelia Sun Kiss Tint Vitamin D Vegan Lip Tint. Ooh, I have lip on right now. Supercharged with vitamin D3. Oh my gosh, that packaging is beautiful. This is definitely my type of packaging. Oh, and it's magnetic. Guys, I'm obsessed. Wow, it's actually beautiful. Packaging really gets me. I'm a very like chic, clean, I mean the color is amazing. This is the color that I love, that I put on my lips all the time, and it's very similar. So I'm sure I'm gonna love this. I'm excited to try out the formula. I'm sorry, I love that packaging. Okay, Aurelia is the brand. I like the iridescent. Gem Illuminating Body Oil. Hydrate plus go. Oh my gosh, I'm just about to go for Mexico, so having a glow body oil is perfect. So excited for this. Ooh, cool packaging too. Made on earth with active plant-based ingredients. Vegan, cruelty-free, we love to see it. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little test on my hand. I wonder if I should shake it. I feel like it's something you could shake, right? Yeah, let's see. That's pretty nice. It'll be cool to test this in Mexico to see like how long it actually lasts for. I almost bought a body oil the other day, so the universe knew what was going on. It's an interesting smell. It's not super strong. I mean, I love that. It's definitely got a cute little sheen to it. We're still going. Ooh, a little perfume. Okay. Oh, wow. Me like experiencing this is so funny. Look inside, see what you find. My hands are all oily now. I'm not. Ooh, so pretty. I've heard of Merge before. Never tried any other scents, so I'm excited. It's Balmy Summer. That's the name of this one. No, I think I'm supposed to shake it. Maybe it takes a sec. Oh no, it's coming out. Wow, that's so different. I don't even know how to explain that. Like there's many layers to it and it's not giving essential oil at all. It feels like a true perfume. It's not florally. Maybe there's like one hint of floral. I wonder what the ingredients are. I'm not the best at describing fragrances if you can't tell right now. It doesn't even say, it says vitamin E and coconut oil and caprylic. I don't even know. It's such a unique type of smell. Cute, cute, cute. And it looks like I've got one last thing. Pilates socks. What's for snack today is what it says on it. Oh, they're so cute. I was needing a new set of Pilates socks too. What makes them Pilates socks is the grippiness on the bottom, so you're not slipping and sliding all over the place, if some people were wondering. What's for snack today? I love it. Wow, this was such a cute and unique care package. They really put a lot of thought into this, and I'm so excited to try new products that I didn't even know existed. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this week's video. and I'm so excited to see you next week. I'm gonna be doing a lot of Mexico prep. I'll see you next week. Bye.